Hello guys, you welcome back to another video. My name is Rennie. So right in this video we are going to be talking about on how you can be able to use Binance Launchpad and also Launchpool as well. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification because I share reliable updates on crypto and most of the things that you might have interest in. Get on your application if you have Binance application, or if you don't have, you could download from App Store or Play Store. Then after downloading it, then you need to open it after you've created an account. And if you don't have no account, you can go down in the comment section where I have Binance referral code, which you could use to get about 10% off, okay, on any coin that you're going to be buying on here. So you could go there, find Binance referral code, you'll see it there in the comment, which I have pinned right there. And if you also want, you could also go in the description of this video and you'll be able to find Binance referral code also, which I've pinned, which I have on there too. Sorry about that. So after that, let's get on here on more. So you want to come on more right there, then you need to scroll up. I'm not going to waste your time, I promise. So if you come on here, you see Launchpad. So you open a Launchpad. So have it in mind that Launchpad is more like a place where you could be able to join in, like pre-sale, where you could be able to join in on a new project that is going to be launched, that's going to be launching soon on Binance. And this will kind of like give a lot of you guys head up to be able to be among the first people and learn to be able to have the token. So whenever you join in on any Binance Launchpad, what happens is that you get to be able to make more money. So the most important thing here is that most of all this Launchpad here, you need to understand what it's all about and also be able to understand about the type of project which they have right here before you begin to participate. So that's what it's all about, and sometimes it's a bit confusing, like this one right here, right? So you click on it. Okay, let's do that real quick. You have to click on it. So if you click on it, you are going to be getting right here. So above here you could see time left. Okay, we have about 1 day 7 hours 32 minutes. So you come on here, then you now try to read all these options right here. The most important thing to understand is that they are going to tell you only BNB in your spot wallet can be used during a subscription period. Minimum amount is 0.1. This is more like a pre-sale. Okay, on the other hand, what you need to understand is that they will give you some amount of coins after you've been able to buy BNB. Let's assume that we want to join in right now. So we come on here, we need to come here to buy like let's say 28 okay, let's just say this amount. Okay, this amount is okay because we are going to be making more money. Remember, if we buy $57 of BNB to join in a pre-sale, we are going to be making more money, right? So that's what you need to understand. So right now I'm going to do this and see how it's going to pan out. After you're done buying BNB to join a Launchpad of League of Kingdoms, what you want to do is to scroll up. Remember, we need to read the options. Okay, so you come on here. Okay, you need to see that on 2022, which is on January 20th, right? That's in few days from now, around 7. That's when anybody could be able to come here to subscribe to join the Launchpad of League of Kingdom. So what this actually means is that by 20th of January, you're going to be seeing a place where you could be able to subscribe to be able to get few amount of token, and the final token distribution is going to be taking place about in about 20th of January too, but the timing is about 11, and that's what it's all about. So when you're joining, make sure you have just 0.1 BNB minimum to join the pre-sale or the Launchpad. This is more like a pre-sale on the other hand, so this is only on Binance. So let's check on Launchpool. Okay, because they have about 2 of them. So they have Launchpad and they have Launchpool. So Launchpool is mostly like a place where you could be able to come to farm tokens, more like if you have MC token, you could come here to earn more MC by only staking your MC. So if you could be able to stake like to buy more MC, what will happen is that you come on here, then you try to stake your MC, and they have another one right here. You could see that APY right here is about 83.96, and they also have another one right here for BUSD pool, which the APY is approximately 2.28%. So right now, for those of you guys who might not know on how this works, okay, what you need to understand is that you need to buy MC token, then you come on here and stake any amount of, let's assume that you want to buy about $20 or $50 of MC token. Okay, when you buy that amount of MC token, which is about $50, then you go to Google, right? So let's just try to go to Google right now. So if you go to Google, you type calculator, remember, so the calculator should be up here, you know what? So what we want to do is that we want to be able to calculate the APY. But the most important thing which we don't understand is that we need to first come on here and click on stake now. After buying the MC token, then we could select on a period and to know on how much we are going to be getting on the APY so far, depending on the days which we want to farm. So you can see 60 days farming period, they will give you about 83.96% on APY, which I think is really good. So I have about 10 MC, so and that MC was actually given to me for free. And if you want to know how it was given to me for free, I'm going to be showing you at the end of this video, so stay tuned. So you come here and you could be able to stake your MC token. So what will happen is that we need to be able to have in mind that we are going to be getting 83.3% on this on the staking of MC. So after that, let's come on our calculator. Remember, we have, let's assume that you have $50, so you do it like this: 50 multiplied by 83%. So you need to know how much you earning, which is really good, so you could have understanding of what you are going to be making. So you can see how much you are going to be making. You're going to be making extra $41. Let me know of what you think about this, and because this is so profitable and you can be doing this in 2022. So also share this video to all of your friends and they may like it. So you come here and you could stake the $50 worth of MC which you have. So after that, what you also need to understand is that as time goes on, they could reduce the annual percentage yield, which is the APY. Okay, so as time goes on, they may reduce it, so sometimes it's not always stable. So you could come here and be able to stake any other coin which you have. So the most important thing to also have in mind is that most of all these coins that you can see stake now, they are only the one you could be able to stake in your coin on, right? So, and another thing you need to understand is that after you can see that I've staked my MC token, and they'll be able to give me return in about 32 minutes. Okay, that's when they're going to be giving me return, and that should be small return. So when you come here to claim, or just to come here to know if the timing is up, so you could be able to claim your reward. Okay, and I believe the reward is always going to be going to your spot wallet. Always go there to monitor everything. So this is how to be able to use Launchpad and Launchpool. So let me know what you think in a comment, and also do not forget to invite your friends to come here to also watch this video as well, so they could get to understand on how everything works and be able to make more money. So before I leave, I promised that I'd show you guys on how to be able to keep your coin, like to stake your coin on BNB Vault, so you could be able to get coins anytime there is a new project which Binance would like to distribute tokens to the stakers. So what you do is that if you come on your Binance, okay, let's go back right there. Okay, so you're on this, and that was last year, and it's still the same procedure. So I will show you. You can find a video where I wrote how to earn free crypto on Binance. So what you do is that if you get on here, do not forget, okay, you just scroll. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Okay, you need to wait a little bit. Oh, head to Binance Vault. So the Binance Vault right here is the one that you should open up, because the higher the BNB, the higher the BNB which is going to be getting distributed to you. Okay, that's what you need to understand. So if you get BNB right now, what you want to do is to come on here and click on subscribe. So if you click on the subscribe right there, then what will happen is that you can now be able to select the amount of BNB that you'd like to stake on here. Okay, then after that, anytime you want to be able to take your BNB, you click on the redeem. So if you click on the redeem right here, what will happen is that it's going to take you right here. Then you now click on the amount of BNB which you want to take back. I'm sorry about that, my network is so bad right now. So if you click on I'm sorry about that. So if you click on the amount, that's the quantity of BNB which you want to withdraw, then after that, what you want to do is to click on the fast, because you want to be able to get that BNB faster. So don't waste your time. Okay, then you now click on I have read and agree to Binance Savings Service Agreement. Then after that, what you want to do is to now go back. So if you now go back, you can see the total of, like, you can see multitude of coin that has been given to me so far. This is to tell you that this actually works. So you can get your eyes on here, you can see everything right here. I'm sure that my network is so bad right now, but try to look into this, and this works so much. I've made so much money on this separately, and you can see everything historical. I'm not lying to you. So the more BNB you stake right here, the more you get to be able to get whenever Binance is listing any new project. So the most important thing about this is that you are better than a lot of people who are into DeFi. Okay, when it comes to staking on DeFi and all of that, because you can be able to make closer to $500 per year depending the amount of BNB you have. Okay, you can see the total amount I have right here, and you can make the calculations yourself, and you can see that almost all these coins here have been able to make me closer to $300 or closer to 500 or more than the amount. So make the calculation yourself, and catch you on the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification, and catch you on the next one.